Okay, so the first thing I did was I logged into my Walden University portal and I went to where Dr. Powell has uploaded a tutorial for our storyboard. Basically, what we are asked to do is we're supposed to create a movie for or a 5 minute skit of a speaker who's we're going to introduce, and our speaker is going to speak on the topic that we have already chosen in class. Mine is asynchronous and synchronous interaction. And so we're going to introduce that speaker and kind of also hit or talk about our topic. So he's given us directions. I'm just going to copy and paste that link into the address bar, and that takes us to a YouTube video. And I did watch the entire YouTube video. So after I watched the entire video, it gave me an idea of what I needed, and so I designed my own version of my storyboard, which is this one, where I just talked about my topic, and I said the keynote speaker is going to speak on this topic. Naturally, of course, I'm going to look up educational professionals who know or who have studied asynchronous and synchronous interaction. I put my professor's name, and then as you can see, it's blank right now on the picture side because, to be honest with you, I want a lot of that to be actual video, and then on this side I have my text. My text is basically introducing us to the conference in the first scene. The second scene, you see there's a lot of blanks. That's just how my brain works. I know I want to talk about asynchronous and synchronous interaction. I know I want to, excuse me, quickly. I know I want to kind of give examples of the different types and the benefits, and I do know I want to embed some video of people using that and actually do some interviews of people discussing what they feel are the benefits of synchronous and asynchronous, and then I'm going to do my closing and introduce my keynote speaker. So that was my draft. When I did that, I realized that Dr. Powell may not want me to not have pictures on the side, so I went ahead and did a PowerPoint presentation of basically the same information. Okay, and this section here, scene 2, is going to be the biggest chunk of my presentation where I'm talking about asynchronous and synchronous interaction, and I'm getting video clips of people using those types of interactions, and I'm going to interview people. I've also thought about maybe creating a little mini skit with a touch of humor, but I'm not sure how well that may come across for the educational specialist program. So that's in debate. I have it here on my storyboard. But basically, I am using the storyboard as my draft for right now. Let me blow this up a little bit bigger so you guys can kind of see the words. Okay, so again, I'm introducing ladies and gentlemen this and educational professionals, and I'm welcoming them to the conference. I, in my second paragraph, have just jotted down some ideas. As many of you know, synchronous and asynchronous communication is a source, and then I'm going to talk about where my sources come from here, and I'm going to list my references. And at the end, I'm going to kind of sum it up and introduce the keynote speaker. So that is pretty much what I have gotten started with so far for my storyboard. This is my rough draft. Thank you.